If you want to set a live wallpaper on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then first we need to take a photo with the camera with the live effect enabled, or the live mode. If you open the library, you can easily tell if you have a live photo by just looking over here in the upper left corner. If it says live, then we should be able to press and hold our finger on the photo in order to run the live effect. Now, once you have that, we can open settings and then choose wallpaper. Now over here, we can either press on add new wallpaper at the bottom, or we can go all the way to the right side and we can press on this plus button. Next, we're gonna choose photos. You should be able to switch to live photo over here. And after a few seconds, you might be able to see all your live photos over here. However, unfortunately, it doesn't work too well all the time. So I can suggest you using the all instead, and then you can try to find the photo that is the live photo that you have. Now, if the live effect is available, then you should be able to tap on this icon over here right next to this preview. When it's enabled, as you can see, we have this movement. And if you like it, then we can press add in the upper right corner. And then, for example, we can set as a wallpaper pair, or you can customize the home screen if you want to, of course. That's up to you. And there we go. Now, if we go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have this live wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.